Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 36. Killing these sons of Dhritarashtra, what pleasure can be ours, O Janardana? Sin alone will be our gain by killing these felons.
Chapter 1, Shloka 36. निहत्यतार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः.
In the last shloka, we saw Arjuna was trying to hide his weakness under one pretext or the other. He didn't want to fight the war and he wanted to escape. In this kind of a situation, he took recourse to the drama. He said, I will not fight, I will not kill. And the cover was a false sense of renunciation and large-heartedness. But it did not work with Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna remained silent like a sphinx. Now in this shloka, he wants to change his strategy. Instead of dramatizing what he did in the previous shloka, he has softened down. And he says, what will be the benefit of killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? After all, we have grown together. We are of one family. So now he has become emotional and sentimental. In this state of hysteria, when your discrimination is not working, then things which are right, you take them to be wrong. He knew that killing a felon, an enemy, is very important. But if you don't, then it is a sin. But misinterpreting the Shastra, he is saying, what is the benefit of killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? This clearly shows the mental hysteria through which he is going, and Lord Krishna remained silent, hoping that he will empty himself, and then once he empties himself, then perhaps Krishna would put something in it. So we will see this condition deteriorating more in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.